Hello, here is BB Walker, welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you how to activate the Aqua Clean filter. So actually, if you have installed new filter in here and this indicator is blinking orange, you need to do the filter activation, and to activate the filter you need to press and hold it for 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3. And now it's ready, and start play. To do this and catch the water. There will be water everywhere, so we need to catch it. Alright, so let's wait. Oh, here's water. Catch it. I think it's going and it will be great. So the activation of the filter is now done. It's in progress, and if you want to know how to install the filter, how to remove the bubbles and everything, just refer to the video in the description. There is the first part of the video when I'm installing everything instead of this part, because it's so fun. So now we are activating this filter and everything seems to be okay, but maybe we won't be able to hold all the water. So it's so exciting. Alright, and now let's take a look. We have the Aqua Clean filter activated because of this blue indicator. So thanks for watching. It was BB Walker, and see you later.